Hello, this is Dr. Janet Six, Senior Product Manager at Tom Sawyer Software, and today we're going to discuss how to add custom graph database queries to your project. In this video, we are going to add the ability for end users to enter and execute custom Gremlin or Cypher queries in their web application. Supported databases include Neo4j, Amazon Neptune with Gremlin or OpenCypher, Microsoft Azure Cosmos, Janus Graph, OrientDB, and Apache Tinkerpop. In this example application built with Tom Sawyer Perspectives, we have a knowledge graph with sales information, an inspector showing details of elements, and a second drawing view that has a swim lane categorization of the data in the knowledge graph. This example application allows you to select an element in the knowledge graph and interactively load neighbors. In this case, we're going to add the supplier for the selected product. And we click OK and apply the graph pattern, and we see the supplier is interactively loaded to the knowledge graph, and also we see a new swim lane with that information. Next, we will add the capability for end users to enter a custom query in this application. We have opened this application in Perspectives Designer, and here you can see the schema for the application. And here in the Designer is also where we define the integration, the drawing template, which defines how the nodes and the edges appear. Graph analysis would be defined here. And here we have our different data visualization views. We're going to go to the knowledge graph drawing view, behavior, toolbars, and then select default toolbar. Then we will select item, right-click, and add a new item. And here we can see all the predefined actions that you can add to your Perspectives application without the need for custom code. So we are going to go and select Run Custom Query and click OK. The title attribute sets the title that will show in the Run Custom Query dialog, and we will keep the default here. The Integrator definition specifies which graph database the custom query is for. The correct query language is automatically detected by Perspectives. We have just one graph database integrator in this application, and the designer automatically selects it for us. The text attribute sets the tooltip text for the icon on the toolbar. We'll keep the default text here. And the icon attribute sets the icon that is displayed on the toolbar. We'll keep the default here as well. The custom query dialog is now fully defined and ready to be used. Now we are going to move the icon so it is next to the Load Neighbors action on the toolbar. We click the green up arrow twice, and the icon is now next to Load Neighbors on the toolbar. Let's see how it works. So we return to the web previewer for this application, and we see our knowledge graph. We select Run Custom Query on the toolbar, and we enter a query in the dialog. In this case, a Cypher query. Any query entered in this dialog must return nodes, edges, or paths. We click Run, and the results of the query are added to our knowledge graph. In today's video, we discuss how to add the ability for end users to enter custom Cypher or Gremlin graph database queries in a Perspectives application. Thanks for joining us. Contact Tom Sawyer Software today to start your free trial of Tom Sawyer Perspectives.